Effective Kung Fu xingyi quan, a Chinese martial art, is rooted in a philosophy that emphasizes simplicity, directness, and efficiency in combat. Originating from ancient Chinese military strategies and influenced by traditional Chinese medicine, it is renowned for its practicality and effectiveness in self-defense. With a focus on internal power and dynamic body mechanics, xingyi quan has gained popularity for its distinctive characteristics and the benefits it offers to practitioners. One of the key components of effective xingyi quan is the development of proper body alignment and structure. By aligning the body in a natural and relaxed manner, practitioners can generate maximum power while minimizing unnecessary tension and strain. This optimal alignment allows for efficient transfer of force, enabling practitioners to deliver powerful strikes with minimal effort. Additionally, a solid stance and balanced footwork are essential for stability and agility, allowing for swift movement while maintaining control and balance. Furthermore, effective xingyi quan emphasizes the cultivation of internal power through the coordination of the mind, body, and breath. Through focused mental intent, practitioners learn to harness their energy and direct it towards their techniques, enhancing both the power and precision of their movements. By incorporating deep and controlled breathing techniques,